Remove the filter from the reservoir and place it in a graduated container, positioned at the same level as the reservoir. Add a known volume of liquid to the container. Run the pump for a few moments to ensure there is no air in the tubing. Then refill the container to the known volume. Set the dosing pump to 100% capacity in manual mode and run it for 1 minute. Make sure to stop the pump exactly after 1 minute. Check the volume consumed during the 1-minute test. Check the model table to determine the number of pulses per minute for the pump model being calibrated.